The Sparrow and the Rain. In the small village near the edge of the peaceful forest, there lived a little sparrow named Sammy. Sunny was a cheerful bird with soft brown feathers and a bright, chirpy voice. One day, Sunny was flying through the village. She noticed dark clouds gathering in the sky. The wind began to blow harder. As the first drop of rain began to fall, Sunny quickly felt towards the large tree where she often rested. The strong wind waved through the branches and the rain pounded down, soaking everything. Sunny clung tightly to the branch, feeling cold water on her feathers. As she looked down, Sunny spotted a family of small young sparrows huddled together in a nearby bush. Sunny felt a pang of concern for them. She fluttered over to the family, with her small wings battling the wind and rain. "Hello," Sunny chirped, trying to sound calm and reassured. "The rain is too strong here. I know a safer spot where you can stay warm and dry." The mother sparrow looked up at Sunny, her eyes filled with worry. "Thank you, Sunny. We are afraid to move in this storm, but we'll follow you if you think it's safe." Sunny nodded. "Stay close to me. I'll guide you." With a great care, Sunny led the family through the rain and wind. She kept looking back, making sure they were closer behind. As they reached the barn, Sunny flew inside first, making sure it was safe. Inside it was warm and dry, with piles of hay and made soft places to rest. "Thank you, Sunny," the mother sparrow said, her voice filled with relief. "You have very brave to come out to help us." Sunny felt proud, but she didn't stop there. She thought about all the other animals who might also their need. Outside, the storm was still raging. Rain poured down. As she flew through the village, she noticed a small hare duck and curled up under the brush, trying to stay dry. "Hello, hedgehog," Sunny chirped, landing beside him. "There's a dry barren nearby where you can stay warm." The hedgehog looked up, surprised by Sunny's kindness. "Oh, thank you, Sunny. I didn't know anyone would come here out in the storm to help me." "Follow me," Sunny said, smiling. "I'll take you there." Sunny flew slowly. Sunny continued her search. Soon she spotted a tiny mouse struggling to climb onto a dry branch. "Come with me, little mouse," Sunny called. "I'll show you where you can stay dry." The mouse followed Sunny. By the time Sunny returned to the barren after her search, many small animals had gathered inside, each one of safe and dry and thankful to her effort. One of the youngest sparrow chirped, "Sunny, you're a hero. You saved all of us." Sunny felt her heart was swelling in happiness. Her mother sparrow spoke gently. "You risked yourself to help others, Sunny. You showed us all that true bravery is not just about facing danger, but about caring those in need." As storm finally began to calm, Sunny looked around her friends and said, "Helping others make me feel happy and strong. Sometimes bravery is simple about being there and about needed the most." When the storm ended, the animals returned to their homes, grateful for Sunny's help. And the brave little sparrow, continued to fly through the village each day, her heart filled with joy, knowing that she could make a difference in the lives of others. She understood that true bravery was about caring others, no matter how small or big the challenges. The moral of the story is, kids, true bravery is about helping others, being kind even in difficult times, and the kind heart can bring shelter and warmth to those in need. So kids, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.